Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use upper cabinets as base cabinets. First, assess your existing upper cabinets, noting their typical 12-inch depth compared to standard 24-inch base cabinets. You'll need to plan for extending this depth and creating a stable foundation. Gather your tools, including a circular saw for precise cuts, a drill for assembly, and a reliable measuring tape to ensure accuracy throughout the process. Next, you'll extend the cabinet depth to a standard 24 inches. This often involves adding a new back panel or framing. Then, construct a robust toe kick platform, usually 4 to 6 inches in height, to elevate the cabinet off the floor and provide a finished look. This platform is crucial for stability. Finally, reinforce the cabinet's internal structure with additional bracing to ensure it can safely bear the weight of a countertop and its contents. With the depth extended and the toe kick in place, it's time to install your countertop. Ensure it has a standard 1-inch overhang for both aesthetics and functionality. To achieve a seamless look, add decorative trim or molding around the base and sides, effectively concealing any visible modifications. Finally, consider painting or refacing the cabinets to match your kitchen's aesthetic, creating a unified and professional finish that belies their original purpose. Using upper cabinets as base units offers substantial savings, often reducing material costs by 30 to 50% compared to buying new base cabinets. It's also a sustainable choice, repurposing existing materials. Remember to always ensure all structural modifications, especially those related to depth and support, meet local building codes. This ensures safety and compliance, giving you a functional and beautiful kitchen solution that's both economical and environmentally friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.